What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday, March 23rd, and I'm going to do everything I said I was gonna do yesterday. I am going to be painting my kitchen cabinets today, so if you guys want to see me do that, then just keep on watching. My cousin is going to come over to help me do the DIY faux brick backsplash. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, because I've been gaining a crazy amount of subscribers like overnight, and I'm so grateful to you guys for subscribing. But for the past week, my husband and I have been remodeling our kitchen, and so far this is what it looks like. So I am going to be painting the kitchen cabinets gray, but I also had something else that I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys have been watching the past couple vlogs, like I've said before, all of my vlogs are numbered, so you guys could always go back and watch them and just count them like they're in order. I had asked you guys for your opinion on my kitchen table. Now I do have it in the middle right now and I love it, so I'm just gonna show you guys the difference because I don't think I'm gonna move it anymore. I really think it's going to stay here. I just love the way that it looks. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the living room pointing this way. So let me show you guys that. So Grecia is watching Elmo as she eats breakfast, but if you guys remember, there was a bar here, or like I'm sure you guys remember. For those of you who don't know, we did have a bar that would come out like right here and like that. So all of this space was like cut off. And so now I put the kitchen table right here in the middle, and I love it. I love the way that it makes it look like it actually looks like, hi! It makes it look like a kitchen, and I have more than enough space right here to walk through. And I also have space to walk through from here to the refrigerator. So I love it like this. Say hi. Say hi everyone, I'm eating breakfast. And then this is what it looks like as you walk in through the side doors. So I love it. I cannot wait for the backsplash to be white and my cabinets to be gray. It's only been a couple days since we've special ordered the countertop, but I'm pretty sure once everything else is done and I no longer see yellow wallpaper, like yellow papered flowered wallpaper, it'll make me feel much better. So I'm going to time-lapse everything, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Just one?
Will that be enough?
So. You want this one or the cheap one?
The cheap one?
It's supposed to look rough anyway, right?
Yeah. Come here. That's it. Tell everyone we're buying this stuff to do the backsplash. Good job. Gonna start painting. Yeah. I also got my very first order from Grove Collaborative. I don't think I had mentioned before that I was getting some stuff, and I got my package today, so I'm gonna show you guys everything I received. Okay, so I've got my box here from Grove Collaborative, but I got this hand towel, which is 100% cotton. Then I got the Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena dish soap. Oh, this smells good. The walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, and it's a 2-pack. A tough scrubber with a soft touch. I got the Method Steel for Real, and this is for like stainless steel appliances because that's what I've got in my house. The Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, it's kind of like a Windex, but not really because it's for Method. Is Windex the brand? Okay, so it's like Windex but Method. I got the Mrs. Meyer's lavender hand lotion. I'm gonna smell this because everyone says that it smells super good. Smells good, smells good. Then the hand soap. This is the multi-surface everyday cleaner. Room refreshener. Oh wow, this is like a spray. And then the last thing I got was some tissue from 7th Generation, just some like boogie wipes. So I've done a whole bunch of cabinets, but I haven't vlogged them just because it's so hard to vlog and paint and like hold the camera and stuff when my 1-year-old is after me, like trying to get to stuff and trying to touch the wet paint. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far, and don't be alarmed by the mess she has on the floor. So I did all of this right here. I just did the don't mind this, I'm gonna make her food. But I just did 2 coats on the ones under the sink, and then I need to do 2 coats here. That one already has 2 coats, and so does that one, as well as these over here. So these are pretty much done. And yeah, she wrote all over my floor, so I've got to heat up some food for her. And my cousin is already marking the bricks on the wall so that we can start setting the joint compound down. So guys, it's a lot later in the evening. It's almost like
Papa?
She saw a cookie on the table, didn't you?
Cookie?
Cookie? You want a cookie? Okay. I didn't explain much last night because this is actually like a 2-day vlog. So yesterday I was only able to get everything taped. Well, like half of it taped, and then this morning practically all day. Like the brick wall backsplash thing took me all day to tape, put down the, what is it called, the joint compound, and remove the tape and everything. So that's why this is like a 2-day vlog almost. You can see her right there. I didn't want to upload this video to like this morning because I wasn't really going to show you guys much and it would have been super duper short. So I decided to finish the backsplash today, or like partially finish it. Tomorrow in the morning I am going to add the primer, which is the Zissner 123 Bullseye primer. I'm going to add this to it tomorrow, so that's going to turn it all white, because right now you can still see the flowers in the back, like of the actual wallpaper that we used to have when we first moved into the house. And I'm also going to paint the brown parts of the cabinet, if that makes sense, like the parts that are still wood. I'm going to have to remove all the doors and the cabinets and paint everything the right way, because I obviously want to do everything like, you know, good. So I'm going to do all that, and then the backsplash will be halfway done, because when Bert's off again, he did want to paint it, and it'll be like a white gray. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now before I end the vlog, and let me know what you guys think of it so far. But this is where it begins, and it still looks gray right now because it's not dried. Once it's completely dry, it'll turn white. So I did all of that, and I'm pretty much done. I was able to clean the kitchen table, and I still need to vacuum because the floors are a mess, but overall I'm pretty content with the way the kitchen looks. And this is what I was talking about, like the brown. This is what I'm gonna paint tomorrow, and then like the edges of the doors. I'm not gonna do the side yet, like this side or the side over there or this one, because we still have to buy the panel that's gonna go on the side, because this is just like, I don't know, it won't look good. So I'm gonna wait for Bert to buy the panel for there and for here. And then of course the actual countertops are gonna take longer. I've said that a million times. I'm pooped. Like, it has been such a long day. I can't even talk. I'm getting a water right now because me and baby girl are gonna go. I'm thinking of eating a pickle, because last night my calves were like freaking cramping up super duper bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that it's 2 days in one and I didn't upload a video today. So I'm not sure if I should vlog tomorrow though. Let me know if I should, because I'm only gonna prime the brick and then like the wall. And I'm sorry I didn't vlog a lot of showing you guys everything. It's hard because when you're taking off the tape, like your fingers get all hard and crusty and full of joint compound. It's so uncomfortable to like be grabbing stuff. So that's why I was only able to show you guys snippets of what I was doing. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, Mama. Say bye. Say bye. You don't want to say bye? She's too busy with that dang cookie. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.